Let's talk about the HydroJug. This has been a game changer for me. It is so different with the lid that it does not leak. Y'all, I am constantly at my kids' sports lugging gear, and I always have my water bottle, and I started spilling things out of my water bottle. It was constant. So I'm happy to have found the HydroJug. I've had this for a few years. It's kind of starting to wear off a little bit, but it's still the best. So I have electrolytes in here. You can see there's liquid in here, and I like to put my electrolytes in, shut the lid, and give her a shake. It is so easy, and it does not leak, y'all. It comes with a straw that is collapsible, nice and clean, flat. You can throw this in a bag. Pops up, and you're ready. This is the 40 ounce. It does have a tapered bottom, so it fits nicely in your car. So I really, really like that. I like that it's 40 ounces. I can get, I've got a lot of water, a lot of electrolytes to get me through the day, but yet it still fits in the car. So super important. I highly recommend this for busy moms that, you're at your kids' sporting events for hours and hours. Get the 40 ounce. It's got a handle. It's got a non-leaking lid. It's amazing. Highly recommend.